Hello, little friends. Welcome back to our storytelling channel. Today, I have a beautiful animal story for you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the story. The Kind Elephant and the Small Bird. Once upon a time, in a beautiful green forest filled with tall trees and colorful flowers, there lived a big elephant named Golu. Golu was very strong. He could lift heavy logs and push big trees. But more than his strength, Golu was known for his kind heart. One day, while walking near a tree, Golu heard a soft crying sound. He looked around and saw a small bird on the ground. She had fallen from her nest and was scared. The other animals were busy and walked past her. No one stopped to help. Golu gently picked up the little bird with his long trunk. Very carefully, he placed her back into her nest. The bird chirped happily and said, "Thank you, Golu. You are very kind." A few days later, something terrible happened. Hunters came into the forest and trapped Golu in a strong net. Golu tried to pull the net. He tried to break it, but the net was too tight. Just then, the small bird saw Golu in trouble. She remembered his kindness. The bird flew quickly through the forest, calling her friends. Soon, many birds came together. They picked and picked at the ropes. Slowly, the net broke. Golu was free again. He smiled and said, "Kindness always comes back." From that day on, all the animals learned an important lesson. So, if you like the story, hope you understand the moral of the story. So, the moral of the story: never underestimate anyone. Even the small can help the big. And that's the end of today's story. If you enjoyed it, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. We will meet again with a new story very soon. Bye. And thank you for listening to my story.